So the first question, a healthy relationship is pretty much when there's like you and the person you accept each other on equal terms, and you're not like really violent. You can be like playful sometimes, but not like, you gotta be really nice and sweet sometimes. I don't like when people are really sweet. But it's just when you guys, like, you respect each other and there's love for the person and stuff like that. Like, you're not super mean toward them. And I don't know, for me, the people around me, they define the relationship, how my view of relationships is like, I don't know, a lot of people around me are really lovey, so I try to not be like that. Not in public, at least. So, but my mom's she shows good relationships. They talk about things and they're not really violent. And they just more toward having fun than arguing all day. And I mean, to promote a good relationship, I guess you could do things like what you're doing now, like show people videos like this and just sit down and talk about a good relationship with other people. That usually helps.
Okay, thank you.